Hello! Greetings! Welcome to my channel. How's everybody? I hope everybody's in good, healthy, and more blessing to the higher up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, because today we receive a blessing and I just want to share with you, ladies and gentlemen. But first, I want to say thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so every time we're gonna post a new video, you're gonna be alerted. So today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're gonna do unboxing because we received a package from my son from Germany, and I just want to share with you what is inside of this package. Okay, let's check it out, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm excited, and please right now apologizing if I kind of stutter or whatever, because that's me when I'm excited. When I'm excited, I'm kind of okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's check it out. Let me just move a little bit higher. There you go. And this is the, let me higher more a little bit. Sorry, I need to set up the camera. There, much better. It's a big box. Put it back. There you go. 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 You can see it a little bit. It's a big box, so, ladies and gentlemen. So let's check it out. This package from Germany from my son. Okay, but first I want to say thank you very much to my beloved son for sending us a package. Okay. Woohoo! Okie dokie. Almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Woo! We got it. It's open. I just want to remind everybody, please, if you have some sharp object, always put it away from you. So, okay, now we got it open. And let me do it like this so you able to see it. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. This inside of the box. We don't know what it is, so we're gonna remove one at a time. Okay. Okay. The box is kind of ruined, but this is the first item that I bring it out from the box. I think this one is a chocolate. Chocolate. There you go. Beautiful, nicey, the box. I love it, and it looks tasty. There you go. And I think I'm assuming this one is a milk chocolate because it said is Volt Mix. Here, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, beautiful. Love. Okay, this is the first box, or this is the first item we got from the. It got stuck somehow, but I pulled it out there. This is the first one, so they're the same. I'm gonna put it here, and I'm gonna put this one away. The next one, I think it's another chocolate or chocolate. Say Gofraish. I cannot pronounce it, but it's Gofraish. There you go. Nicey. So I'm gonna put that one there. And the third, You know what? I'm gonna put it in this side. The third item, let's see. So the box is empty now. Let me show the box. Ba-bam. Okay, okay. And this one is in the paper bag. Paper bag. Oh! What I got over here, I think this one is a shot glass, ladies, but I want to check it out. Open it. Open it. I need a scissor so I can open it. So I'll show it to you, the shot glass. Thank you, son. I love it. Take it off. Put away the scissor first before I'm gonna stab myself or poke myself. Pum, 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 pum. This, ooh, metal. This one inside. Show it to you. Nicey, nicey, beautiful. So the decoration of the shot glass. I'm gonna turn around. I love it. Thank you. So I'm gonna put the shot glass over here. The next item we got. What is this? Papa. I don't know what's this, but oh, there's a face, a tiny face. Look like I'm watching Lord of the Rings. Remember the Lord of the Rings, Gandalf the Grey. Or there's another one, a wizard, almost same like this. Is the, if you watch the Lord of the Rings part, what's this? You know, he take care of the jungle, the trees, and the insects and the animal. I forgot his name. It's one of the same part of Gandalf. I forgot, but I hope. Got it. Okay, beautiful. It's a gome. There you go. It's a gome. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So we have some. I want to say thank you very much, son, for sending us a gift, and I love it. We have some Hans chocolate from Germany. It's Hacchez, Hackzin, I think. I'm gonna taste it later. What is it? And I'm gonna let you know in the next video. And we have another chocolate over here, ladies and gentlemen. And Gofreish. I don't know if I pronounce it right. And we have from the Lord of the Rings, gome, and some shot glass. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. And I I'm always reminding. Just a reminder. There you go. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm getting blank because I'm getting excited. Okay. I just want to remind everyone, please, 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 if you're gonna ride, always be defensive. Bye.